Now say in this numerical, light of frequency 7.21 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz is incident on a metal surface. It means we are given nu is equal to 7.21 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. Now electrons with a maximum speed, that is V max, is equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 5 meter per second, are ejected from the surface. What is the threshold frequency of photo emission of electrons? We have to calculate actually here, that is that meter per second it was here, nu naught we have to calculate. We know Einstein's photoelectric equation h nu is equal to h nu naught plus half mv max square, that is a kinetic energy. So we have to calculate this. So we can write h nu naught is equal to h nu minus half mv max square. Now we have to calculate nu naught. So we can write nu naught is equal to nu minus half m by h into v max square. Now we can put all these values over here. So when we put all these values, we will be getting here nu naught is equal to 7 point here, that is it is given here the 7.21 into 10 raised to power 14 minus m is 9.1 into 10 raised to power minus 31 into V max is 6 into 10 raised to power 5, that is a whole square, divided by twice of 6.63 into 10 raised to power minus 34. So when you solve this, on solving we will be getting 4.74 into 10 raised to power 14 hertz. So that is the threshold frequency. This is known as threshold frequency.